Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to disable Discord from recording your voice in the new Clips feature. If you use Discord often and want to make sure your voice isn't automatically saved in these clips, you'll want to follow along carefully. The process is simple, and it only takes a few clicks. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your computer. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, your username, and next to it, a small gear icon. This gear icon is the shortcut to your user settings, and that's where we need to go. Go ahead and click it. Inside the user settings menu, you'll see a lot of different options on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find one labeled Clips. This is the section where Discord manages its clip recording features. Click on Clips to open it. Now, pay attention to the main window. You'll see several settings related to clips, but the one we're focusing on is Allow my voice to be recorded in clips. By default, this setting may be turned on, which means whenever you or others make clips, your voice can be captured along with it. If you prefer not to have your voice included, you'll want to disable this option. To do that, simply toggle the switch next to Allow my voice to be recorded in clips so that it's turned off. Once it's disabled, Discord will no longer record your voice in any clips. This gives you more control over your privacy and ensures your voice isn't saved or shared unexpectedly. And that's it. You're all done. With just a few clicks, you've successfully turned off voice recording for Discord's Clips feature. Whether you want more privacy or you just prefer that your voice isn't saved in highlights, this quick adjustment puts the control in your hands. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep your Discord app updated, since new features and settings roll out often. Now you know how to take control of your recording preferences and keep your experience just the way you like it.